In this tutorial, we will see that how you can upload video on Google Drive and share link. So let's dive right in. Firstly, from desktop, open Google and on the right side, you'll find these dots. If you click on that, it will give you this Drive option. Open it. From Drive, click on this new and here you have to upload a file by just clicking on this file upload option. Select a file and open it. Then it will start uploading. You can see here. After uploading, to share its link, what you can do is right click on that video that you want to share link. It will open up this window. Scroll down from share, click on this copy link and your link will be copied. Now this was the first part of the video. So I want to share my link through Gmail. I will open Gmail and in two section I will write receiver's Gmail and then simply paste a link of that drive here and click on this send. You can also send by through social media apps. So that's how you can upload a video on Google Drive and share link.